Hi, I'm Julie. I'm here because I've been trying to spread love to you guys, to humans for a while now. Just not that long, but um so today's message is be kind to yourself as a human and then be kind to others. It doesn't cost anything and it feels amazing. Um be your true self, your authentic self. The how do I put this? Um we didn't Not many of us grew up knowing how to love or be loved or to send love to people. Most of us put a mask on and walk through life thinking everything's okay. You have to look within yourself and know not to be hard on yourself, to love yourself and be kind. Because we live in a world today that is so hard to navigate. It's it's cutthroat sometimes. Most of the time it is. And we don't take the time to stop and look at the playground God has made for us. Like, it's amazing. It's beautiful. It's peaceful. And the way that, that it is for us, you should have that inside for yourself. That you're amazing, that you're beautiful, and you're peaceful. Every day you wake up, you're blessed with a new day. Time is not given back to you. Time is essentially the most unappreciated thing in this world right now. Just because people might be irritated, mean, or you know, not that nice sometimes. Remember, hurt people, and they're going through their own stuff. Being kind is free, and it feels good. Um, be true to yourself, and if you're true to yourself, you'll be true to others. What you have inside will reflect outside, and you're the greatest gift to anybody. You're the greatest gift, and you got to remember that. I know I'm not um, known or people know who I am or whatever because I keep to myself. I live my own life. But I want to spread kindness. I want to spread the love of God. I want I want humans to be nice and kind to not only themselves but to others because it's good. It's important. Take it one day at a time. Everything's going to be okay. And just know when it gets hard or when it gets lonely or when it gets quiet, that's when you truly see, you truly know and you truly understand, things could be rough. But at the end of the day, you made it. And it only gets better. It only gets better. And if you spread positivity and know that good attracts good, and know that being authentic and being you is the way it should be. And you'll start noticing that you start feeling better, thinking better, acting better, and wanting better. God's plan is for you to be the person He made you to be, His child. Each of us has a gift that He gave us. And when you learn yours and you're able to use yours and you're able to feel it and walk with it, you get it. You'll know. And know that you're loved. Walk with God always. Keep it moving. And God bless.